Welcome to our review of the MONSGEEK Heavy Linear Switches Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Switch 5-pin green fog switch with LED diffuser pre-lubed 60GF. Before we dive in, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. This switch is the result of a collaboration between ACO and MONSGEEK, combining ACO's high-quality switch manufacturing expertise with MONSGEEK's innovative design. The green fog switch features a robust POK stem, a PC top cover, and a durable PA66 bottom housing, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts looking for a premium typing experience. Designed as a heavy linear switch with a 60G operating force, it offers a deep, satisfying thocky sound profile that gamers and typists alike will appreciate. The heavier actuation force helps prevent accidental key presses, which can improve typing accuracy and enhance gaming performance. Each switch comes factory pre-lubed, ensuring smooth keystrokes right out of the box. The lubrication process includes the top cover's 8 reinforcing ribs and the contact leaf's dual legs, which also helps to eliminate unwanted noise and key pinging. One standout feature is the integrated LED diffuser, which optimizes RGB lighting for sharper and more vibrant keycap legends. This makes the switches especially appealing for users who want their keyboard to look as good as it performs. The MX-style cross-stem design guarantees compatibility with a wide range of keycap sets, although it's worth noting that a switch opener is not included in the package. Durability is another strong point, with an estimated lifespan of 70 million keystrokes, ensuring long-lasting performance. Pros of the MONSGEEK green fog switch include its heavy linear feel that reduces typos, factory pre-lubrication for smooth and quiet operation, excellent RGB lighting diffusion, and high durability. On the downside, the heavier actuation force might not be suitable for users who prefer lighter switches, and the absence of a switch opener means you'll need to source one separately if you plan to swap switches frequently. Overall, the MONSGEEK heavy linear switches are an excellent choice for gamers and typists seeking a premium, tactile experience with impressive sound and lighting effects. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab yours today.